Assalamu alaikum प्यारे बच्चों, welcome to STEM International and the book which we are doing is Maths for Juniors. I hope आप मैथ्स को enjoy कर रहे होंगे क्योंकि अभी तक हमने बहुत सारे interesting concepts सीखे हैं and I hope कि आप उन concepts को revise भी कर रहे होंगे। आज का जो हमारा lesson है it's all dedicated to counting, हम सबकी favorite चीज़। एंड आई होप कि अब आप काउंटिंग में इतने अच्छे हो गए होंगे कि आप काउंटिंग खुद से लिख लेते होंगे। लेकिन आज जो हम काउंटिंग करेंगे उसमें हमने टेंस एंड यूनिट्स का कॉन्सेप्ट इंटीग्रेट करते हुए काउंटिंग करनी है, क्योंकि जैसे कि मैंने ये बात बार बार बोली है कि टेंस एंड यूनिट्स इज द बेस ऑफ सो मेनी कॉन्सेप्ट्स। आप जब आगे की क्लासेस में जाएंगे, डिफरेंट चीज़ें सीखेंगे तो वो टेंस एंड यूनिट्स पे ही बेस करती हैं। तो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। अब जल्दी से चलते हैं हम बुक की तरफ, क्योंकि आज इंट्रोडक्शन में समझाने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं। वी आर गोइंग टू डू काउंटिंग, तो लेट्स सी हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दैट। ओके, तो द फर्स्ट पेज इज numbers from 50 to 59. They are two-digit numbers because इनमें दो numbers हैं. So let us count and write the numbers from 50 to 59. And don't forget to count in tens and units. For example, if you have to count 50, you have to count these bundles of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 51. So you have to write here. You have to count and then write the counting in these boxes up till 59. Dear teachers, there is a point for you. Ask the students to count and write the numbers from 50 to 59 in numerals. Then explain that numbers given above are two-digit numbers, each consisting of 5 tens and a unit from 0 to 9. Okay, तो हमारा 50 से 59 तक के कुछ questions. On the next page, you have to count, color and write the numbers. Can you see that यहाँ पे हैं हमारे पास कुछ pencil jars जिनमें कुछ pencils हैं and all these pencils are 10 in number. So you have to count them. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And here you have to color 50 and you have to write 50 as well. This way you have to do the other two parts. You have to count them and then you just have to color the relevant number and write the numbers in these given boxes. The next question says, write the next numbers. Next numbers means what comes after. जी 52 के बाद अगले 3 numbers. If we have 52, what will come after that? 53, 54 and 55. You have to write the next 3 numbers. Same goes with 56. And the second part of this question says, write the previous numbers. If you have 54, आपने पिछले 3 numbers लिखने हैं. What comes before 54, my dear kids? Yes, 53, then take a jump back, 52 and 51. And here with 59, you have to write the previous 3 numbers. The next question says, write the missing numbers. So here we have 58. What comes before 58, my dear kids? Yes, it's 57. Then what comes before 52? It's 51. The second part says, what comes in between these numbers? 51, then a missing box, then 50. And what comes after? 54 and 55. So here 3 concepts are given which we have done before. The next page says two-digit numbers from 60 to 69. Again, you have to count and write the numbers from 60 to 69. And don't forget to integrate the unit and don't forget to integrate the concept of tens and units. So count in tens, my dear kids. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. G. So in the numbers from 60 to 69, we have 6 tens and units from 0 to 9. You have to do the counting and write from 60 till 69. Dear teachers, ask the students to count, read and write the numbers from 60 to 69 in numerals. Then explain that numbers given above are two-digit numbers, each consisting of 6 tens and a unit from 0 to 9. And the second question says, count, color and write the numbers. Again, you have to count these pencils and you have to color which numbers they are representing. Let's do the first question ourselves. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. Here you have to count 65 and write 65 as well. And same goes the question which we have done with 50's family, that you have to write the next numbers. The next three numbers that comes after 69 over here, and the next three numbers that come after 66 comes here. Here you have to write the previous numbers. 63 se pehle three numbers. What comes before 63, my dear kids? 62, then 61, and then 60. And same goes the second part. The next question says, color the balloon with greater number red and smaller one blue. So we have pairs of balloons, my dear kids. यहाँ पे आपने greater number को red में color करना है and smaller number को blue में. So we have 24 and 42. What do you think? Which one is bigger? Yes, 42 is bigger. So color it in red and color 24 in blue. Let's move to the next part. Again, it is the same thing that you have to count and write the numbers from 70 to 79. Don't forget count in tens and units. Like, let's count 70 together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. And when we add one unit to it, 71. So count in tens and units, write the counting. And dear teachers, there is a point for you that ask the students to count, read and write the numbers from 70 to 79 in numerals. Then explain that the numbers given above are two-digit numbers, each consisting of 7 tens and a unit from 0 to 9. The next page is again count, color and write the numbers. ठीक है, यहाँ पे again we have some group of pencils and individual pencils as well. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 and 76. So here you have to color 76 and write 76 over here as well. The second question says write the next numbers. So here we have 72. You have to write the next three numbers. And here we have 76. You have to write what comes after 76 in three numbers. Then we have to write the previous numbers. 74 से पहले क्या आता है, my dear kids? 73, 72 and 71. Then before 78, you have to write the three words. Again, you have to write the missing numbers. So here we have two numbers, 73 and 71. You have to write what comes before these numbers. Then we have two pairs of numbers, 73 and 75. You are supposed to write what comes in between these numbers. And you have to write what comes after 71 and 76. Let's move to the next page. On the next two pages, we have 80 to 89 and 90 to 99. You are just supposed to count these bundles of tens and units and write the counting from 80 to 89 over here and 90 to 99 over here on this page. Dear teachers, ask the students to count and write the numbers from 80 to 89 and 90 to 99 and explain that numbers given above are two-digit numbers. 80 to 89 has 8 tens and a unit from 0 to 9, and 90 to 99 has 9 tens and a unit from 0 to 9. यहाँ पे इन दो pages पे, my dear kids, you are just supposed to count and write the counting up till 99. Let's move to the last page of this concept. G. You have to count, color and write the numbers. So here we have some bundles of 10 and some units. So let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83 and 84. You have to color 84 and then you have to write 84 in this box as well. This way you are supposed to do these two parts. Then the question is write the next numbers. You have 4 set of numbers. आपने इन तमाम numbers के आगे next 3 numbers कौन से होते हैं वो लिखने हैं. So here we have 92, then 93, 94 and 95. Then again the second one is 85, 86, 87 and 88. Same goes with 96 and 81. And in the last question, you're supposed to write the previous 3 numbers. We have 94. What comes before 94? 93, then 92 and then 91. And this way you are supposed to do all 3 parts. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन जिसमें हमने देखी counting from 60 till 99 and we have done so many questions related to these numbers as well. Don't forget to integrate tens and units before doing the counting. हम दोबारा मिलेंगे एक नए लेसन के साथ, एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.